The new Lexus LX has arrived, and with it not only do we have completely new design but also the new trims, and one of them is the F-Sport trim that you see in this video. Even though this is a proper off-roader, for the customers that prefer sportier look, Lexus has prepared the F-Sport trim, which is by the way available for the first time on the LX. So what do we have here? We have a stylish features that include the new front grille, jet black instead of the chrome to make it more aggressive and sporty. You will also notice the different bumper and new exclusive 22-inch forged aluminum wheels available for the first time as well. Inside, the steering wheel and gear selector have special leather for improved style and grip, and you also have the F-Sport emblems to remind you that you are in a very special model. Speaking about driving performance, this version features uniquely tuned standard front and rear performance dampers, a torsion LSD and rear stabilizer. I actually quite like the F-Sport trim on this model. Tell me in the comments what do you think, and would you take this sporty trim or maybe more robust trims and smaller wheels so that the car is more suited for the off-road? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for the full review in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.